this is like Blizzard 2010 or 2010. It's
wow.
beautiful. It's
yes,
wonderful.
it is.
Lots of snow coming down.
Woo!
So we're getting pictures of each other. Pictures of each other in the snow. Here. Just a second. Let's get. Oh, there we go. That's a nice shot right there.
Wow.
Do you want to walk into that? In there? There she is. Blizzard 2010.
Yay! Happy Winter Wonderland.
We're in the park, and I'm gonna like break into this little area over here, which we're not supposed to. I'll wait till the kids pass. Okay, now I'm gonna jump in here and make a snow angel.
Okay. Here he goes.
Okay. Now Carla, Lynn Hall is making a snow angel. I love this. That's perfect.
Hey, people in Miami, how you like this?
How you like me now?
How you like me now? It's cold.
Well, wait, I thought I just did it. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. And catching snowflakes on her tongue. I love that.
I think we're done here.
Okay. Isn't that cold?
Yes.
If you can see the snow angel there. It's kind of hard to see
Yeah.
with this. But there is one there and it's very pretty.
Yay. Yay. Now we're getting back on. Before we get thrown out of the park.
Yeah. Again.
Again? You've been thrown out of the park before?
No.
Oh.
Oh. That is just so much fun.
Isn't that fun?
It is. It's fun.
Yay!
And there's lots of kids in the park and everybody's just out having fun in the snow. I love it.
Me too. We're here in J. Hood Wright Park in Washington Heights, New York City.
Washington Heights!
Heights! Now we're going back in for warm food.
Yep.
And tea. Oh, chili.
Yep.
Lovely. All right, well, we'll see y'all later. We're going to go home and have some chili. Bye.
Bye.